Archaeology, was formed as a discipline in the 19th century within national borders. So it was, by definition, regarded as a national discipline. We started to think about the project in like 10 years ago, as we thought that it would be important to redefine what archaeology is about in contemporary Europe, especially how you can sort of combine the experience of colleagues from eastern and western part of the continent at the time. We wanted to have to prepare the didactic materials for heritage professionals to better deal with these challenges that were not in existence in the 80s. We wanted to build up a coherent set of modules in archaeological heritage that will be available online to those who are interested in the project in a way that is easily accessible and is available in a number of European languages. We decided that needs to be presented in the form of coherent modules. There is 15 modules, and each partner was responsible for preparing each own materials. And they were sort of prepared in a kind of standardized format. That is, a Word document basically covering all the major issues in question. And then the second step involved the transformations of this material into the e-learning format. We had to, prepare the rules of transferring this kind of traditional didactic materials into e-learning format, and in a way that is sort of suitable to different audiences. And eventually, we managed to prepare a kind of methodology, a way in which the other people, other colleagues can use and transfer their own material into this format. We ran 5 trainings in all partners countries targeting heritage professionals. Both projects were designed in such a way that the results can be used nationally. And we produce a lot of case studies illustrating of how a more theoretical concept is being dealt with in practice in national settings. In Spain, for example, it was used at the national level as a mode of delivering the content to heritage professionals as well as those who are interested in archaeological heritage, deal with archaeological heritage in their professional life. It was also used in the US, and I didn't mention that we published 2 books, one book after the first project and the second book after this second project. In the content repository, there is all these didactic materials that we produced in both projects are available in a standardized format that can be searched, can be used to build up the didactic materials, the packages, by trainers taking into consideration interest and needs of different target groups. And as soon as this is created, it can be downloaded from the content repository and uploaded into Moodle, Blackboard, or any kind of system of that kind anywhere in the world, and use it independently from us. I think this is the major kind of achievement of the project, that this flexibility.